First started out in engineering. I've always enjoyed engineering as a child. I was always interested in how things were designed and the, the creative side. I remember as kids drawing floor plans of houses and trying to come up with more creative designs and better uses of space. I am the street and right-of-way infrastructure maintenance manager, and I run the streets division for the Public Services Department. So my staff maintains the city infrastructure, which includes the roadways, the stormwater, the sidewalks, any municipal infrastructure within the right-of-way. And it doesn't matter whether it's winter, summer, or fall, we work year-round, doing multiple tasks to ensure the safety of our citizens and try to improve conditions on roadways and waterways and flooding and things like that. We are first responders when it comes to hurricane and winter weather events. We go out, block roads, and cut up tree limbs and remove debris and ensure that our citizens are safe during the event. Every day's a new adventure. There's always something different, and I enjoy the people I work with. The most rewarding thing about my job is being able to get out there and help the citizens and just make life better for them. My sixth grade math teacher had a quote above his chalkboard that always resonated with me, and it is, "The mark of an intelligent person is his ability to follow directions." And it really resonated with me because it is so true. An intelligent person follows directions and seeks knowledge. On the weekend, I'm usually around the house. I have a woodworking shop in my backyard, so I spend a lot of time in there doing woodworking and building things. I build bedroom sets, I built kitchen cabinet sets, anything that anybody may want or anything I want around the house, or my wife wants more importantly. Another thing that me and my wife enjoy doing is going on cruises. We enjoy going to see different cultures and meeting different people.